We have this X22Rr Max, and these are the electrical components. And this is a oxygen sensor. Right here is our fuel injector. This one right here. On this other spot where my finger is, this one, it goes the throttle position sensor. This is the coil. The horn is right there. This is our voltage regulator. This one. And right there is the battery. The CDI is right here on this spot. This one. That's where the letters are. Delphi. Here's the fuse box. Just the fuses. This one's right here. And this is the plug for the scanner. And pretty much that's it. Too simple.